everyone, welcome back to my page. And if you're new here, hey, welcome. Today I'm here with another review. I'm here with Just4kira contacts to do a review. I have 4 pairs of contacts that they sent me, and I am going to try them on for you guys and let me know what you think. I'll also have a discount code if you would like to purchase some, so please keep watching. So I am so happy that Just4kira sent over these contacts, because a few years ago I actually purchased some contacts from them with my own money and I loved them so much. But this is the box. I love how they pack everything. This is a thank you card and how to put the contacts in your eyes. These are the contacts and the cases they give you. I got Neela Green, Neela Brown, Sita Hazel, and Asa. And then you get these cute clear contact cases for each pair of your contacts. You can get the contacts also in your contact prescription, or you can get them regular. So that's up to you. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some solution in all of my contacts and let them soak before I put any of them in my eyes overnight, because they just got shipped to me. But here I'm laying all of them out so you can see the colors. So they're all here soaking right now for overnight, and tomorrow I'm gonna do my review. Okay, so first things first, guys, you want to make sure you got a good solution to soak your contacts in for at least 8 to 12 hours after you get them. Don't let them sit in the blister packet. So first we're gonna do the Neela Green. You can get them in your eyesight or not, but here's the packet. That's what they look like. And I'm gonna put the Neela Green in with you guys, and then the rest of them, I'm going to put them in and just show you them. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, don't forget to wash your hands. I already washed mine. And make sure you have some kind of mirror. I'm using this one. So you can use a little tweezer it came with, but I'm so used to doing it with my finger, so I don't. I make sure you don't fall out. Give me a second, guys. Okay, let me put the other one in. Okay, so they're both in. My nose done turned red. But I love them. They're kind of bright for my liking, but some people like the brightness. I like the more natural, but they're still cute. Some people would go for them, because I see some people with them bright grays and stuff, but I don't know. I could probably get used to it. I'm trying to see. My eyelashes kind of loosen up. That's why, when I normally wear contacts, I do like to put my makeup on last. But I'm trying to do it for video purposes, so I'm trying to have some of my makeup on, because normally my eyebrows are done, my eyeshadow's on. I really just have a little bit of eyeliner at the top and my eyelashes on. because normally I'll have some eyeliner down there too, but I knew it would all get messed up, so sorry if I'm blinking too much, because I'm trying to make sure my eyelash don't pop off. But yeah, this is in the ring light and the vanity light. I have both lights on actually. The sun is already kind of like setting. The day went by so fast. I was trying to catch the sunlight. So let me see if I could go catch some light right quick. I'm gonna go by my balcony area, see if it works out. Let me see. Well, let's see. Not really, but I guess this is like regular kind of light, because it's not like super bright, but it's cute. But you'll get the idea. But anyways, that's Neela Green. Very cute. Okay, now I'm gonna put in Neela Brown, which looks just like Neela Green, except Neela Green is a little brighter in the middle from what I see. I'm trying to decide if I actually like the ring around the contact or not, because normally when I get contacts, I don't get a ring around it. So this is actually a first. This is the Neela Brown. Turn some more light on. It's pretty. I don't know which one I like better. It's really pretty. I like it a lot. It is gorgeous. And they're comfortable. That's one thing I love. Very comfortable. Comfortable, comfortable, comfortable. But this is what they look like. So the next color we have is Asa. I don't even know what color that is, but I just picked it. So let's see what that is going to look like. Asa. I like this one a lot. So that's Asa. Regular lighting. That's all I can really show you because now the sun is gone. And then I have ring light. The sunlight is pretty much gone, so that's awesome. It's really pretty. So guys, it's the last one. So sad. I love contacts. Anyways, the last one I did was Asa. It reminded me a lot of the Nila brown, but I loved it. It was good. Now we are at Sita. I would say Sita. Sita Hazel. You're at Sita Hazel. And I'm about to put that in for y'all and see how it is. Anyways, I'm gonna put everything on the link below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I hope y'all like this video. Don't forget to order and use my coupon code to get a discount, because these contacts are bomb and they are comfortable. I love them. So, yes. And they're easy to put in. See? Oh, these are pretty too. Ooh. Look at that, y'all. Ooh. These might be my favorite. These might be my favorite. I wish I really would have did my hair, y'all, because I really wanted to, but I needed to get this video done. I like my videos done at a certain amount of time, and I was so busy this week, so I needed to get this done. But ooh, this might be my new favorite. I'm excited about this. I might do a separate video on this one, because I'm gonna do my hair tomorrow and do all my makeup, because I got a wig review and these contacts will look perfect with it. Oh my gosh, these are so pretty, y'all. Look at them. These are so beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at them. Beautiful. Oh my gosh, look at them. Okay, that ring light doing too much. But look, I turned the ring light off. Okay. But yes, look at them. So they're like they're gray. They're not a scary gray, but they're bright, but they're not too bright. Can't even explain it, but they're pretty. So don't forget, these are Sita Hazel. And I love these. These are probably my favorite out of the bunch. And then my second favorite is Nila Brown. But anyways, again, like and subscribe. Peace.